Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all well. We are going to start our maths lesson today, and we're going to have a look at capacity. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and then you can learn all about capacity and if you know what that word means. Now, capacity is all about if we're describing if something is full or if it is empty. So if we look at the cups on the screen, you can see that this one is full because the water is at the top, and this one has got nothing inside, so it is empty. And those two words are part of our capacity language. OK, let's look at the next slide. Now, as a starter activity, it is asking us which of these items are full and which are empty. Now we have two circles at the bottom of our screen here, and one of them says empty and one of them says full. So we're going to have a look at each object and we're going to decide if that object has got a full amount in or if it is empty with nothing inside. OK, so let's have a look at the egg box. Have a look. How many eggs can we see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That carton has got 6 eggs, so it is full. So we would put this egg carton in the full circle because it hasn't got nothing inside it. The eggs are all there. The next one is a glass of milk. Now have a look at the glass of milk. Is it an empty glass or is it a full glass? That's right, it is a full. So we would put it in the full circle. I'm really sorry, boys and girls, about this watermark here. I can't get rid of that because I'm not on my smartboard, but I hope you can just ignore that while we're working through our smartboard. Right, let's have a look at our next picture. Our next picture is a suitcase full of clothes. Let's have a look. Is the suitcase empty? Oh, is it full of clothes? That's right, it is full. So we would again drag it down here into our full circle. Well done. Let's have a look at the next picture. Now this is a picture of a basket, just like the ones that we have at school. Now, is this basket full of items or is it empty with nothing inside? That's right, it is empty. So we would then drag it into the empty circle. Well done. That was fantastic sorting. Let's go on to our next slide. This again is asking us to sort the items by full and empty. So let's have a look at each picture again. Again, we have got our circles at the bottom. This one is our empty circle and this one is our full circle. OK, let's have a look at the first picture. This picture here is a pencil case. Is this a full pencil case or is this an empty pencil case? That's right, it is a full pencil case. It has got lots and lots of pencils inside, hasn't it? So that would be in the full circle. Let's drag that in just there. Fantastic. Right, our next picture is a pot, isn't it? It's like a little paint pot or a cup. Now, is this pot full or is it empty? Have a look. That's right, it is empty. It has got nothing inside, so we would have to drag it to the empty circle just like that. Well done. The next picture, it's an ice cream cone with some ice cream at the top. Is the cone full or is it empty? Have a look. That's right, it is full. It has got the ice cream has filled the cone up, so we would have to drag that into the full circle. Well done. And the last one is a bottle. Now, is this bottle empty or is this bottle full? Let's have a look. There's nothing inside this bottle, so this bottle is empty. So we're going to drag that into our empty circle. Fantastic sorting, well done. So this is our language that we are going to look at today. And the first word that we are going to look at is the word mass. Mass is the amount of an object. We are measuring the mass of different items and comparing them. So the word mass might mean shortest and longest, heaviest and lightest, or tall and short. OK, there's lots of different words that we could use to describe mass. Okay, the next word that we have already spoken about a little bit today is capacity. Now, capacity is a measure of how much something can hold before it comes full. Well done, everyone. Let's have a look at our next slide and see what it is asking us to do. So here is our learning objective again. We are going to begin to use the language of capacity, full and empty. Now, this is my turn, so this is I do. So have a little listen to what I'm saying, and then I will switch it to my camera to show you. I have a cup. I want to fill it so it is full. What do I need to do to make my cup full? Okay, let's go back onto our camera so you can see. So this is my cup here, and the board is asking us to make it full. Okay, so I have got some rice here. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Let's have a look. Can you see my rice? There it is. It's all colourful because my little boy likes to play with the rice. So I'm going to see if I can fill my cup. Now, when I fill my cup, I'm going to use a little scoop here so I can count how many scoops it takes to make my cup full. Okay, is my cup full now? No, my cup is empty. There is nothing inside. So let's have a go at making my cup full. I'm going to put my scoops in here. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is my cup full yet? Nearly full. I'm going to add one more scoop. 4, 1 more than 4 is 5. Oh, let's just press it down like that so it doesn't come out. My cup is now full. Well done. Right, let's go on to our smartboard and see what it is asking us to do next. Okay, it is asking us, you each have your own cup and you need to fill your cup so it is full. Okay, so what you need to do now at home, grab a cup. Oh, a glass. Be very careful if you're using glass not to drop it or anything. Make sure your adult is around, and you need to make it so it is full. Get some rice at home, pasta. You could even use anything that you've got in your cupboard. You can even use some water. If you want to use water, you can pour the water in to make it full. Okay, see what you've got around your house to make it full. Okay. Let's have a look at the next slide that it's telling us to do. It says I do, so it's my turn. I have a cup and I want to fill it. Okay. Oh, I don't think I've shared my screen with you. Let me share it again. Well, there we go. That's better, isn't it? So you can see. Oh, sorry, it's not quite working. Let me try again. And I want this page, so let's have a look. There you go. So it says I do. I have a cup and I want to fill it so it's nearly full. What do I need to do to make my cup nearly full? So with the rice that I've got in my cup already, I'm going to pour it back into the bowl and I'm going to see if I can make my cup nearly full. Now, I know that last time I used 5 scoops and that made my cup full. So this time it might take a few less because I don't want it full to the top. I want it nearly full. So that's nearly to the top, but not quite to the top, not quite full. Okay, you'll see what I mean as I do it. So let me go back onto my camera so you can see. Are we ready? See if you can count the scoops for me. See if we can get it nearly full. So not all the way to the top, nearly full. I'm going to go to about here, I think. I think that would be about nearly full. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, or maybe one more. 4. Oh, are we ready? I might just pour a little bit out because it does look a little bit full. That. Okay, can you see now that my rice is not all the way to the top? It's a little bit off. So my rice, I would describe this cup as nearly full. Okay, let's see what our slide is telling us to do next. Okay, it's your turn. You do. You each have a cup, so get your cup again at home. Get whatever you have got, what you're using to fill your cup, and see if you can do it so it is nearly full. Okay, have a go and see how you get on. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to move on to the next slide while you're doing that. And it says, let's get busy in the provision. Now, I know we're not in school, but I thought I'd keep this slide up because it gives you a few ideas on what you can do at home to explore capacity. So if you have got any pots or pans at home, see if you can get some different utensils and practice filling and emptying those, seeing if you can make it full or empty, nearly full or half full, nearly empty. See if you can use all those words, okay? If you've got any sand at home, again, you can practice filling and emptying. And if you've got some water, again, you can use your pots and your pans and you can practice filling and emptying those containers. Okay. To finish off our activity today, we're going to quickly have a look at these pictures here. Now, these pictures on my screen, seeing if you can see me, have got water inside. So the blue on these pictures represents water. And we're going to have a look at each one of these and describe the capacity word for each of these words, these glasses. Okay, so the first picture, this one here, is full. The water is right at the top. So we would say this one is full. Okay, the next picture here, these two are very similar, aren't they? They are the same. So we would say that one of them is half full and maybe this one here is half empty because it has got a line in the middle. Okay, so that shows that the water is halfway up the cup and the rest of it is empty. Okay, so we could either say half full or half empty. The next picture, this one here, we've just done this one. So we could have a look at this one and see that the water is not quite at the top, but it is nearly at the top. OK, if we did one more scoop of water into this pot here, it would be full, but it's not full on this picture. So we would say nearly full. OK, this one here at the bottom, we could say it is nearly empty, because there is nearly empty. Now we've done this one already. We said it was either half full or half empty. And the last one has got nothing inside. So we would say this one is empty. OK, have a little explore at home and let me know how you get on. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that lesson and I will see you very soon. Bye, everyone.